What did you think, Kevin?
Yeah.
Chef Chino here, about to cook us some steak, and made some sides at Grace's, got the salad going. Woo! Looks so good, Chino. Parents are doing my gardening for me. 엄마 이거 고추지?
응?
고추.
이거 고추.
Yeah, some hot
아빠한테 물어보고
peppers and 이건 뭐야? 엄마 깻잎이야?
깻잎.
Ooh, 깻잎. I think they just potted some tomatoes. How's the steak? Did you throw up? Are you okay?
I'm okay. A-okay. Okay?
I say, are you okay? Do you just want to go
She's not
run
okay.
over there into the wild? Asparagus, mashed potato, our salad over there. Getting our steaks ready. Yums. I'm at Target to look for a pail. I don't know, like the watering spout thingy for my herb garden, but maybe it's not in this section. This, I do like it, but I don't know if I love it. White or green, that is the question. I called my dad and he told me to get this one because he likes the spout of this better, because sometimes you have to water around. Actually, our hose spout part was broken, so to get another one. But he said this one has options where you can like sprinkle it, so we need something where you can actually pour around it. So this. Said this little strip right here is garlic, so he said water it on this indent he made me. Am I doing too much? Very hard still, so it's a little bit bigger. Oh, yes. I am gonna be going to my grandma's, but before that I wanted to eat some brunch. But it's so hot outside, I'm like not really feeling like cooking anything. I'm gonna have some chobani with this granola. It's so good. So it's like a chocolate peanut butter. And then I have this acai bowl as well. I always wash my yogurt cups because I don't like it stinking up my dish pan. So I always wash it and rinse it before I throw it out.
Alrighty. We just went to Omakase Yume in downtown Chicago. Wasoup?
Yeah.
Wasoup, yeah. It was probably the best meal I've ever had. It was so good.
Yeah, it was really good. Yeah. Pricey, but definitely, yeah, definitely worth it.
Yeah,
Did
we
you-
got a lot of specials and sakes and stuff. Yeah, I really liked it. Thank you.
Yeah.
She's shy. And Emily's new ring. Wow, looks so good, Em. will we eat more? Our friend is here from California. She's our college friend. Yeah. So we just got some coffee and we are now walking around. She's really dressed for California weather, not Chicago weather, and it's actually really cold this week, so it's a little chilly. She ran out into the bench. Oh my god, Emily, look at, can you buy us this house? Yes. It's really pretty. The sky's like really interesting today. Wow. Oh. What? She said it's very clear.
Okay, how do you do
like
it?
This one the best.
How do you
well, this time you're drinking it so you can get as much.
5-10. I need a longer. Oh, I did it.
Yeah, that's good.
I like foam. No, I don't like foam. Very like, I feel like they're very honest. If they don't like you, like.
But anyone.
I'm going.
Hello, you can't be crying. Wait, it's so pretty.
Really happy.
We are at the
So much lettuce, so little time. Ready?
Ella, do you like it? Yeah!
She's like, what is all these faces? It's so cute to look. I love it. And like the pops of color.
Is this
flower?
sancho? These are vegetables.
Yeah, they're all vegetables. Look at
Oh,
parsley.
this is so cute.
Parsley, onion, lettuce, loose lettuce.
Are you gonna move your feet? She liked that. 묻어요. 맛있니? 맛있어. Is this for me?
Yes.
Oh yeah. Yeah, push. Thank you.
네,
야.
먹고 왔어요.
세상에 죽겠다 반팔고.
이거 벗어줘?
드세요. 그런데 SC 머리가 있어.
매콤하고 맛있어.
약 한 숟가락 먹어.